Very straightforward topic, how to set up Telegram folders, how to do it for business, how to do it for Web3 BD. I'm going to show you how I do it. Get your inspiration, try it yourself. So first of all, I have a lot of folders, and I prefer having a lot of folders because it allows me to segregate my contacts in the right way. Usually if you look at my folders, you will probably see like the old chats that everybody have. Then an important top folder that I recommend everyone to have is going to be the work chats. So things that are related to the main work activity that you're doing. So you put there all important conversations, customers, I don't know, clients, prospects, team, whatever needs to be in the work is going to be there. And then I have a bunch of different folders as well here. One of the, or actually two folders that Telegram would suggest you to create is going to be the people folder. That's going to allow you to see everybody who is a person and you're talking to. So it's going to automatically filter out all groups, all communities, everything, have it. And also one which is going to be the unread folder. And Telegram will also offer you to do this folder. I also use it because when I need to see unreplied messages from different folks, it's easy. Sometimes it's easier to find them in the unread folder rather than just scrolling the main all chats folder. And then besides this, I have segregated the database into a couple of folders. One is going to be the Web3 Sales Gym. So the community, the channel that you're looking for, I have a community, and then I was putting a couple of members in specific folders, so I just know who is in which time zone. And then of course you can find events from folders from events like token, etc. Then a few folders about Web3 Sales Gym. Then folders were replied. Sometimes like when you do a campaign with Enrich, you can actually set up a specific folder where replies only from that campaign is going to go. So let's say when I'm launching a campaign for Token 2049, I can create a new folder, call it Token 2049 2025, and then everybody who replies to that sequence about Token 2049 will go in that specific folder. This is what I have there. Then you have the different videos, imported folders, and if you just break down what I have in my Telegram, I have work chats, I have unreplied, which allows me to stay on top of everything and I don't miss messages. Like I usually reply in the course of let's say a day to most of my people. Then I have event folders. I still keep them, although like events that I intended last year, I still have them for nurturing. So I can go, let's say today, and I can look who I met in Dubai last year, and now I can go and message them to say, hey, we just did X, let's talk, because we're good guys and you're good guys and I think you can buy from us. So like those kind of use cases. And the last one is going to be personal. So in my case, this is Web3 Sales Gym. I have it separated by different regions. You can do similarly if you are having multiple projects. So have one folders for one project, have a second set of folders for a different organization that you're working for. That's perfectly fine. So at the end of the day, try whatever's best for you. This video is just an explanation for you. If you want to set up folders like I have here in the left, this is done in the Telegram settings. So go in the settings and do it through there. If you have more questions, DM me. I'm going to leave my Telegram down below. And of course, join the Web3 Sales Gym community because we are covering and we're talking and we're discussing all the different things in the community about projects, funding, community, new members. It's a very good place to meet new folks. So links in the below. See you. Bye-bye. Like, subscribe, send to your mom. See you.